Finally got the creator combo. Oh, when I got this, I'm like, is this the creator box? Because it says creator combo, but every time I watch an unboxing or somebody that got it, it's not in the box, it's already in the package. So I'm like, did I actually get it? Is everything in here? The bag that they show and everything's already in there. So obviously they must have opened it already, but mine's still sealed. I gotta break the seal, and I'm gonna do that right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and dig into here to see what we actually got. So let's go and do a real unboxing. Let's check it out, guys. Let's go. Let's go ahead and do a real unboxing and see what we got here. Let's see what's in here, man. I'm super excited. I'm so glad to get this stuff and see what we actually got. All right. Oh, so it does come in the combo like that. This must be the case. And there you go. Some paperwork. And that's it. All right. So it is in its form already. It's already in the package. Oh man, I can't believe this is, oh, this is crazy, man. Oh, wow. This is nice. This is nice. It feels good, man. It feels good. It feels good. Man, I'm ready to up my game on my videos. Be making tons of videos. This is the case. All right. Oh man. Ooh, let's check what's in here. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go cut it first. Oh, hold on. No, I don't. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh yeah. Check that out. Wow. Did I already turn it on? Oh, I think I did. What the hell? It turned it on already? Made a weird noise. I don't know if I turned it on or if it was already on. That was weird. You see how it made that knocking noise? I don't know if that's right or not, but there you go on that. And then we got the, let's see this right here. Right here. Right, this might be the extra battery, maybe. We got this. Let's see what else we got. Oh, here's the microphone. I mean, yeah, that's cool, man. Can't wait to check this out. This is gonna be awesome, dude. Man, to pair them both together. Check this out, dude. It's gonna be incredible. Then we got this right here. There's tons. Oh, the windsock is right here. We got, what's this right here? Maybe the battery or, oh, okay. This is the handle. It's like the handle to extra, to, it won't be, you have some extra to it. And then this is the battery. And then this right here is the, or the bottom holder, so you can hold it. There we go. So it's the, wow, check that out. That's awesome, dude. This is gonna be awesome. Look at the kit. It's a cool little package. Oh, it has a charging for it. Wow, it has some more stuff right here. Some little pockets right here that has stuff in there. Oh, the magnet. This is the magnet. And then this one's, oh, the little filter. Wow. It's cool they have the little pockets for it. And that's everything in the box. Wow, I can't believe it fit in there. Wow, this is so nice. I can't wait to check it out. So there you go, guys. I have unboxed it right there. I can't believe everything fit in here. inside the box. Honestly, didn't think it fit in here at all, but this literally fit in there, man. That was crazy. And this is so nice. Like, what a case you get in the creator combo, you know, and you can literally package everything in there, which is awesome. And yeah, oh man, I can't wait to try this out. This is gonna be awesome. It is making like a weird noise. See, why is it making that noise? That's kind of, oh, I guess that moves, man. That's kind of scary right there. It kind of, see, the thing moves around. I thought I was gonna say lock in place. Well, maybe that's why you get this. Maybe that's why you get this right here to put it in there. But even so, it's gonna be moving around in there. And it's cool. Get the new DJI microphone in it, so it's gonna be cool to check it out versus like this microphone that I have on right now. Then it's cool because it comes with the extended battery, which is awesome. Can't wait to check that out. It came with the holder, so this is like to extend it more. So you plug it in, then right here, yeah, and then it gives you more room to hold it, and then you just pop it off. Yeah, pop it off. That way you can have more area to hold instead of just that little place right here. It gives you more leverage, and then this one gives you, of course, more. Then I don't think you can't attach that one. Both of them have the bottom piece right here, and then this one has the bottom piece right here too, so they get both attached to this. Or if you have anything else, you could attach it to the bottom of your gimbals or anything, so that's cool. Just a little iffy why don't like the way it shakes like that, man. Kind of scary, man. I don't know. Sounds kind of, I don't know if it's messed up. When anybody else does that, I guess you gotta be real. That's just not cool. It looks like it has a spot right here where you could put, like, you know, you put a wrist thing for it, but it didn't come with the wristband in here. I don't see nothing. Nah, they could have threw it in there since it had it. And maybe this is it right here. This could be it right here. This could be used as a wristband, but I think you'll probably, yeah. Like this right here could probably be used as a, it's too small. So yeah. Anyways, hopefully I'll try it out soon and check this out. But I also have this right here. I'm gonna be unboxing, and can't wait to check this one out. This is gonna be cool too. Add to more of my stuff. And I also have the DJI Neo drone coming. I got a new drone coming too, so it should be here pretty soon, like tomorrow. So I can't wait to try all my new gadgets for the channel. So pretty cool, man. Hey guys, hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. And what y'all think? Are y'all gonna get one of the creator combo? Let's see how it comes out, man. I'm still a little afraid about that noise. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next video.